Mount Rushmore National Memorial may be closed by the time you arrive.
1 day, 1,668 miles.
The left 3 lanes to turn slightly left onto I-270 spur north, signs for I-270. Continue for 31 miles. In a half mile, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 32 for I-70 west toward Hagerstown. Use the left 2 lanes to take the I-70 west ramp. Continue on I-70 west for 76 miles.
We are in Pennsylvania.
So yung daanan siya doon sa kabila sa taas?
Yeah. Sila maganda ang view sa taas nila eh. The bottom.
I-70 West, Pennsylvania.
Yes. Yun o. Umarang sa bundok.
Grabe naman ang taas naman nila sa kabila. Huwag ka tabi.
In half a mile, take the I-70, I-76 west exit toward Pittsburgh. Take the I-70 exit. Continue for 399 miles.
Look at the castle. Church ba yan?
Yeah.
And then, boom. Allegheny Mountain.
I-76 West, Pennsylvania.
Yep. I-70 West Pennsylvania. Saan pala yun? Laurel Highlands Hiking Trail. Dito yung mga bato na to.
Nakagawa sila ng daan sa gitna na to.
Ayan, ganda yun.
Nakahas na babe. Curves ahead.
Yup.
55.
Nakita mo yung bundok na yun? Ano yun?
Next 5 miles, 55.
55 daw. Next 5 miles. Ano yung bundok na yan? Yung dome? I-70 West Pennsylvania. Look at the mountain. Kalbo na. Wala na. Walang bridge.
I-76 West Pennsylvania, near Pittsburgh.
New Kingston, Pittsburgh.
Ano yung papalitan nila tong bridge na to? Yan.
Yep, I think so. Half mile na yun.
Welcome to Ohio.
Aí são focados no chinês do papel. Sabe the heart of the gold?
Aha.
Sarado to. Ohio astronauts have conducted 28 spacewalks, totaling more than 180 hours. Ohio astronauts have flown on 78 space missions, including 3 trips to the moon. Over 22,000 hours have been logged in space by Ohio astronauts. Wow, ang lupit. So yung mga idol, dinoble check ko, after nito Indiana tayo, then Illinois, then Wisconsin. Mag-merge tayo ng 76 to 80 west, then 80 to 90 west, dire-diretso yan, then Indiana na, then Illinois. Haba pa niya mga idol.
We are now entering at I-80 West, Ohio Turnpike. Cuyahoga River. We're passing Cuyahoga River. This is the bridge. Saan yung river? Hindi ko naman makita.
Welcome to Indiana.
Ito mga idol, oh, very interesting. Ito lang nakita kong visitor center na nasa gitna ng interstate, nakaangat. Ito yung pasalubong sa atin, that is I-90 West, yan yung papunta ron I-90 East. Dito yan sa Rockport, Wisconsin. Kalalagpas lang natin ng Illinois. Ito yung building mga idol, oh, nasa ibabaw. Ayos, diba? Pasara na pero umabot pa kami ng konti. Nakakain pa kami. Eh sinasabi ko mga idol, oh, naman nasa gitna siya ng interstate, diba? Ang kulit eh. Eastbound, ito westbound. Yan. Oh, kulit eh. Pero bakit nila tinayo sa gitna, no? Usually yung mga visitor or mga service center nasa gilid eh. Either nandito or nandito. E-exit ka ng interstate. Eto, e-exit ka pero pupunta ka sa gitna. Okay, no?
Where are we?
We are in I-90 West. Jane Adams Express Toll. We are in I-39 North.
I-39, 90. Kasama, I-39 North, I-90 West, Illinois.
Welcome to Wisconsin.
Yung mga idol, I-90 West papunta sa atin pag ganun. Doon tayo galing sa Illinois, kakalagpas lang natin. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Welcome Center ng Wisconsin from Illinois, I-90 West. Oh wow, ganda ng landscape nila, hydrangeas. Picturean kita, babe. Uy, bukas. Bukas. Ganda ng map na yun, no? Walang tao ah. Pwede na tayo may baro dito. Dapat pala dito na tayo. Dumiretso na tayo kotin. Andito na tayo eh. Kagabi. O baro muna ako, babe. Ang ganda ng halaman nila dito, babe, no? Tara. Medal of Honor, Valor, Above and Beyond the Call of Duty. Spanish War, Civil War, World War II, Korean War, Vietnam War.
Kaya sila tinawag na the Medal of Honor.
So yan. Tara, babe, let's go. Medyo malamig dito ngayong umaga. It's 50 something. Puntahan natin ng malaking sign. Gusto mo? Nasaan na yun?
Ano, walang daan.
Ayun o.
Walang daan eh.
Ayun o. Tignan natin. Tara. Yung mga idol, fellow travelers, man. Yan. I-90 West, yung pasalubong sa atin. Eto na, ang laki oh. Recreation, industry, agriculture. Wisconsin welcomes you. Governor Tony Evers. Picture kita, babe.
We are still in I-39, I-90 West, Wisconsin.
There's low visibility reported ahead.
Oh, wow. Nawala yung pickup yung car sa harap natin.
Nandaan. Gosh.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn slightly left to stay on I-90 West. Continue on I-90 West for 670 miles.
$670 miles.
I-90 West, Wisconsin.
Vibes dito, no? Parang mahinahon lang ang driving.
There's the field, Wisconsin. Tira, tapos imomo mo, tingnan mo. Oh, ayan, nilaline mo yan, oh.
Stripe, ha?
Stripe. Tingnan mo, ganda, oh. Stripein mo yung bahay mo doon. Ayun pa. Gasolina, nasa tuktok. By downtown Lacrosse.
Minnesota rest area. Tayo ng Wisconsin?
Yep.
Gano'n lang kabilis?
This is Mississippi River.
Welcome to Minnesota.
See?
Oo nga, no? Mississippi River?
This is Mississippi River.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Mississippi
Oh my God.
River. Look. The Mississippi River.
La Crescent Trap. Patay lang mo.
Yeah. Sayang dahil bubag na ito.
May rest area pala sa baba eh.
Yeah, nandoon. Hindi natin napansin.
Ayan na eh. Wow! Ang ganda rito. Hindi tayo winelcome ng GPS sa Minnesota?
Salita.
Hindi ah.
Nandito. Salita.
It's beautiful in here. It's beautiful. Hindi kaya yung rest area na nalagpasan natin, ano yun? Welcome center yun?
No. Rest area lang.
parang electric fan. Grabe.
Sila sa kapila.
Ang dami. Oo, pati yung ganda, no? It's like buong county o buong city niya ang sabi lang, hindi umiikot sa right.
Nakapatay.
Nakapatay? What do you mean? Eh, di ba binubuksan ng ano yan? Good afternoon mga idol. Sa wakas, nakarating na kami ng South Dakota. Ayan, finally. Pero I think meron pa tayong mga 5 hours para marating yung Mount Rushmore. Ito yung pupuntahan natin. Saan makaabot tayo kasi meron daw silang light show every night. Tara, bisitahin natin yung welcome center nila. Grabe, no? Ang daming travelers na nakasabay namin. Nakasama nila mga pets nila. Ganda ng map na ito. Ang ganda rito. Southeast region. Oh wow. Oh wow, babe. Look at this. For sure, totoo yan, no? The brink of extinction. Oh wow. The recovery of the buffalo on the Great Plains. Welcome center ng South Dakota. Ito pupuntaan natin mga idol. Yan. Ha? Yeah. Did you know both South Dakota and North Dakota were made states on November the 2nd, 1889, according to the legend? A coin toss decided, wow, a coin toss, which state would be admitted first. North Dakota won toss, so South Dakota officially became the 40th state to join the Union. A coin toss. Buti inabot pa natin siyang bukas mga idol. It's past 4 na. Nagnap ako eh. Nagnap ako sa tayo dulo ng Wisconsin eh. Dito tayo. my God! Missouri River, I-90 West, Chamberlain City. God. Oh wow! This is beautiful. One of the beautiful. Yo mga idol, meron pa tayong nakitang welcome center dito sa South Dakota. And ang ganda mga idol, scenic view, man. Ganda. Let's check it out. Ganda mga idol, oh. Ang ganda ng pagkakaano niya, oh. Ganun pataas mga idol, pataas yan, oh. Yan, doon tayo galing. Sa kabila. Papunta roon, I-90 West. Yung car na yan, papunta ng I-90 East. Ay, ang lupit, no? Oh my God, nagkata rito. Grabe. Hindi sila makakar, ang liliit, oh. Tara, saan tayo? Tara. Ang ganda ng welcome center na to, men. One of the best to, one of the best to. Oo. Tingnan mo, hirap na hirap siya, oh. Sulit, medyo late na kami papunta sa Mount Rushmore, eh. Pero dahil sa ganda nito, I will stop, oo. Kasi tingnan mo naman, bibihira ka makikita ng napakagandang welcome center. It's not that ordinary. Grabe. Sino kaya to? Ang lupit eh, no? Laki ng parking niya. Tingnan natin yung kanyang facility. Babe! Asyo! Ang ganda ng smile niya, eh. Napagod siya sa biyahe, eh. Restroom ko muna. Tara, tignan natin sa loob. I think mayroon pang view dun, eh. Pupuntahan natin yung later. Check muna natin yung niya. Service place nila. Na-excite ako na tagdan, nagkaroon akong bagong energy kasi medyo napagod din ako sa biyahe na, eh. Ito, oh. Ito madadaanan natin. Ang dami namin nakita na na nakaride ng bike. So naalala ko, dito pala yung Sturgis, South Dakota. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yung bathroom nila. Oh, inaayos. Inaayos ang kanilang ayun, oh. May mga hindi. Ano inaayos? Ano pala yun? Puntahan na natin to. Tingnan natin kung makita natin dito. Missouri River. Ba, may trail. Eh, no? Oo nga, may trail. Lewis and Clark Memorial Bridge at Chamberlain. Dalawang bridge nyo. Ay, grabe, ayun oh. Grabe yung trail na saan galing yun. Lalaki na yun. Ayun mga idol oh. Balik tayo doon sa statue. Tingnan natin kung ano ang kanyang symbolize or meaning. Taranta ako ah. Hindi ko alam, papasok ako sa loob ng facility o pumunta muna ako sa statue na yun. Ganda eh. Saan na yung entrance doon? Wala, ito kaya mo na. Parang crush nila dito. Oh, Propescue. Lambot. Ayun oh. Maganda yung statue, maganda. I think it's a girl. So let's see. South Dakota mga idol. Ito oh. Grabe, may trail po. Beware of poisonous snakes. Oh wow, may snakes pala rito. Missouri River. Niulit ko mga idol, yung mga gustong bumaybay ng I-90, Interstate 90. Share ko sa inyo itong experience na to from Maryland. So binaybay namin I-90 West. So nandito tayo ngayon sa South Dakota. Ito yung second rest area from Minnesota. Yan. Tiyo. Reels. Uy, ano na eh. Ang ganda, Big. Masarap umupo dito. Hangin. Ha? Tayo muna tayo rito. Tayo gagabihin tayo sa Mount Rushmore. Gagabihin tayo.
Saka pumasok bro.
Yeah, may trail doon. Gusto mong lakarin? Okay. National Historic Civil Engineering Landmark. Missouri River Bridges of South Dakota, completed 1927, commemorated 1995. Travelers. So, dignity of earth and sky, standing at a crossroad. Dignity echoes the interactions of earth, sky, and people. She brings to light the beauty and promise of the indigenous peoples and culture that still thrive on this land. My intent is to have the sculpture stand as an enduring symbol of our shared belief that all here are sacred and in sacred places. A gift to the people of South Dakota from the Norm and Annabelle McKee family. Sculptor and South Dakota artist Lorette Dale Cloud Lampier. Wow, look at those two. Up there they traveled hours of hours on the road. They decided to walk on the trail. Wow, if we have a time, probably I would do the same thing also. It's so beautiful. I will not stop saying the word beautiful on this because it is really. I think this will be a one of the longest video for a welcome center that I will be experiencing. I know. But hey, look at the one, the design on the back. Wow. Huh?
Continue on I-90 West for 202 miles.
Chamberlain. It's a beautiful place.
Deja vu. Baro sa kanan, no? Saan nangyari sa atin doon? Sa Arizona? Mapadaan ka sa gitna ng bagyo na yan, grabe.
In a half mile, take exit 61 toward South Dakota 79 South. Take exit 61. In a quarter mile, use any lane to turn slightly left onto South Dakota 79 South, US 16 bypass. At the light, use any lane to turn slightly left onto South Dakota 79 South, US 16 bypass. Continue on US 16 bypass for 9 miles. In half a mile, use the left lane to take the US 16A ramp to Mount Rushmore. Use the left lane to take the US 16A ramp. Continue for 4 miles.
Yeah, pwede ba yun? Helicopter tours?
No.
Oo nga pala. Delikado yan.
Makobi ka pa dyan.
Puro pababa naman to.
Always mo. Powder in Lodge.
Wow, babe. Ang ganda, babe. Hindi lang natin makita. May tunnel. Oh. Pero it's Rockies. Keystone.
Mga hotel din.
Oh, wow. Buhay na buhay sila dito ah. Tingnan mo.
Ng bundok, kaya
Yeah, bars are full. Restaurants, parkings. Wow.
hotels.
Texas yung nasa harapan natin, no? Sarap maglakad dito, babe ah. Inom tayo kahit 2 beer.
No, saan ka magpa-park to? Hindi pwede. Unless mag-check in.
Dami oh. Dahil souvenir dito, babe. Saan tayo?
Diretso pa. Ayun, hindi ka pa inaano eh. National Park. Nilaanan mo city.
Ako dito sa masyadong masikip sa right. Ito pa isa oh. Keystone. Welcome to Keystone Mall. Pataas ulit.
In a quarter mile, continue straight onto South Dakota 244 West. Continue straight onto South Dakota 244 West. Continue on South Dakota 244 West for 1.5 miles.
Rockies yan. Tomorrow may kita natin yan. In a quarter mile, use any lane to turn sharply right. Use any lane to turn sharply right, then you will arrive at your destination.
You have arrived.
Papasok tayo.
Bayad tayo dyan.
Yeah, babayad. Parking lang may bayad.
RB bus.
Autos.
Grabe. Ano, sobrang taas na itong area na to. Yung dalawang SUV, Expedition, tsaka yung ano ba to, Suburban, binibitin pa ako. Yung bagal ng patakbo eh. Come on, I need to be there at before 9. Ano?
10 yata. 10.
Then,
or 5, I'm not sure.
Ano to?
Hanggang 11. Entrance lang yan.
Hindi, valid to for a week?
I think so. Taas mo din.
Hello.
Welcome to Rushmore. How are we doing tonight?
I'm doing great, thank you. Are those tickets for only a day?
No, these tickets are good for a year. You can come back anytime you want to. There are no other fees that you have to pay for when you get up to the top. And stay in the center lane to the left of the orange cones up ahead.
You said a year?
Yes, sir.
Alright, thank you.
Great, you have a good night.
Oh wow. Ang ticket nila, a year? Nakagulat yun ah.
Lagay sa
Ang daw, sabi niya? Stay what?
On the center of the cone.
What the hell? Saan ako dadaan? Dito na ako. What? Okay, then okay, parking, then akit tayo sa taas.
Ano yung ano?
Mali pa yan. Mali pa yung ano ko. Mali pa. Dito na tayo. Para tumama. Yan. May jet lag yata ako ah. Nahihilo ako ah. Saan tayo? Parking pala dito sa taas eh. Restroom, information center. I think eto sila yo. Yan. So may light show daw eh. Paano yan? Meron ba light show? Ha? Anong oras? Yung light show anong oras? Bakit yung phone ko 10:56? Ang labo ah.
10:56 na?
Sir, do we have a light show tonight?
Yes.
What time we started?
The show will start at 9 o'clock. The
9
lights will
o'clock?
go on at 9:30.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Ang plano talaga namin makarating dito ng morning before they open. But totally opposite kasi ang dami naming inistapan nag-stop over na magagandang rest area and visitor centers. Kaya ano, Gatson Borglum is sculptured by his son, Lincoln Borglum. Babe, gift shop, babe, oh. Memorial ice cream. Tindi, babe. Parating natin, gabi. 1.5 days. No. Actually, one and I think 15 hours. Ang ganda. Kuha na kita, babe.
These men hope we would remember these ideals and strive for a better nation every day. In 1776, our founders composed their dream for America. In 1861, the Civil War put both the dream and the country to the test. Washington's dream of a more perfect union and Lincoln's expansion of that dream, like a fire bell in the night.
Umabot din mga idol sa ina.
I considered it at once as
1.5 and 18 hours.
it is hushed indeed for the moment,
You know,
but this is
no, it's 1 day
the final sentence.
and 18 hours.
Jefferson worried that slavery
Maryland
would
to
turn the nation of her.
Mount Rushmore,
Years later, South Carolina
South
seceded
Dakota.
from the United States, and Jefferson's
May ano silang ano, light show. So, dumating dito tayo gabi na kaya light show muna yung papanoorin natin. Then, babalik tayo bukas ng umaga para makita natin siya. Wala eh. Sobrang hirap ano eh, mag-road trip tsaka ang daming ano eh, stopover.
whose opinions Abraham Lincoln would end slavery, which they said would be destructive to the South and hostile to its beliefs and safety. South Carolina
Travel lang mga idol. Oh, yes man. Finally, we're here. So, nakita rin natin siya. 7th State admitted to Union. 1788 Maryland. Ito plug natin eh no. Ang tagal, meron pa palang ano eh. Meron silang program, kaya lang yung lights. Habang nagsasalita yung pre-recorded. Wala pa yung lights, so naantay natin. Ayun, ikukwento pa siya eh. Sino dito yung first? Kung yung Maryland is 7, hanapin natin yung first. Ah, oh, yeah. The first one is ano, Delaware. Saan yun? Nakalimutan ko na bandera nila eh. Ayun, to. Ayun. The first one. First state admitted to Union, Delaware, 1787. Ito yung plug nila.
In your hands, my dissatisfied fellow countrymen, and not in mine, is the momentous issue of civil war. The government will not save you. You have no oath registered in heaven to destroy the government.
Lincoln's Emancipation Proclamation began the process that ended the evils of slavery forever.
Yung mga idol. Pero okay din na night tayo, no? Kasi ano meron silang light show. Ngayon kung umaga ka pupunta rito, syempre of course, baka hindi mo na maantay yung alas 9 ng gabi. Just for the light show. Alam mo yun? So ngayon, dumating kami gabi, bukas, ulitin namin ng 8 AM when they open it. Alam mo yun? So, siguro baka before sunrise or before 8 nandito na tayo bukas. Tingnan natin siya ng maliwanag. Tsaka yung I think yung dinaanan natin zigzag, uphill tsaka downhill. I think magandang view yun mukhang magandang scenic view. Kaya
right here, top.
tara. So ngayon maghanap tayo ng good spot or a good hotel to check in tonight. Kasi plano ko mag-stay pa dito ng one day. Tomorrow, siguro hanggang tanghali. Yan.
Mas maganda yan.
Ang ganda ng design ng flags. And then a lot of lights, warm lights. And then alam mo yun, straight up na ganun. Tapos nasa centerpiece siya yung yung mga presidents. Ang ganda, no? Yeah, babe, picture lang kita rito.